The little girl in this video is not speaking yet, so she is using sign language to communicate while she learns to form sounds and words. She is able to use the baby birds activity with her sign language. Notice how she is beginning to say the word egg, trying to produce many other sounds and words, and learning how to put a sentence together. It is a delight to watch her progress.
Look, I have eggs. Yes, eggs. We're going to open an egg. All right, so you have to tell me what color you want. Look, what color do you like? Or you want to get an egg? Tell me, say, I want egg. Good job. All right, get an egg. Let's see. Oh, look, what color is this, Natalie? Orange. Go like this. Orange. Yeah, can you show me orange? Open your hand by your mouth. Orange. You do it. Orange. Egg. So let's open it. Tell me. I open egg. Show me egg. Like this. Egg. Let me see your hands. Egg. Good job. Open it. Let's see. Oh my goodness. What is that? What do you have, Natalie? Look, it's a bird. Look up here. Bird. Show me bird with your hands. Bird. Can you show me baby? Baby bird. Good, let's do your whole sentence. Say, I have baby bird. Bird by your mouth. Bird. Bird. Up here by your mouth. Bird. Good. Let's find the mom. Which one's the mom? Which one's the mom? Yep, there she is. So tell the bird, say, go in. In. Can you show me in? In. Good job. Put the bird in the nest. Oh, that bird found his mommy. That's so great. Yeah, you did it. All right, you ready? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. I want egg. Put your fingers. Egg. Egg. Good job. What color? What color do you want? Oh, that's a pretty one. It's yellow. Yellow. What are you going to do? You're going to open it? Tell me. I open. Egg. Egg. Yes, good job. Let's open the egg. Let's see what's in there. Oh, Natalie, what do you have? What is that? Baby. Baby bird. Good job. What do you have? Tell me the whole thing. I have baby bird. There's your bird. Where's the mom? Which one's the mom? Can you find the mom? Yes, it is. There it is. All right, we're going to tell the baby. Say, baby bird. Show me bird. Go in. Yes, good job, Natalie. Put that baby bird in there. Look at that. He found his mom. Good job. Let's do one more egg. Are you ready? What do you want? Tell me. I want. Show me what? What? Egg. Good talking. All right, which one? Oh, look at that. That's blue. Blue egg. You ready to open it? Okay, tell me. I open. Egg. Yeah, blue. Egg. I open blue egg. Show me egg. Good job. Open it up. Oh my goodness. What's in there? What do you have? What is this right here, Natalie? What is it? Baby. What is it? Baby bird. Good. So let's do the whole sentence. Tell me. I have baby bird. Good job. Where's the mom? Who's the mom? Let's look at both of these. Which one's the mom, Natalie? There she is. Tell the baby, say baby. Baby bird. 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 Go in. In. Good job. Nice work. Yay, Natalie. Yay, you did it. Good job.